My name is Chun-Jung Lin, and Chad is my another given name. So I'm a PhD student at Australian Institute for Machine Learning. About my research topic is I'm doing a task in the computer vision. It's called scene understanding and change tracking. So my perspective on this problem is on image change detection. Like given an image pair and I spot the difference, just like the well-known game. But my research problem is more challenging than this game. I compare the image pair. This image pair captured in different times, often captured at different location and different angle. This image is captured at different place. And we need to compare what is remain the same between this image pair and what is different. So therefore, we need to borrow AI's ability to detect what change is essential and what change is not that important in our context. For example, like we may not interested in like some leaves on the road and where's the position change of this leaf, but we are interested more on when a new building is built it. And we believe that this change detection can facilitate to the map update. So imagine that in the Google Street Map, it has many street view image. And people will use this image to build a 3D model by 3D reconstruction. But if there is an image is outdated and use that image to build a model, it causes this model become stale. So change detection is used in here. It will detect the out of date image and remove it and make the model more cleaner and more contemporary. So as an international student at AIML, I think AIML is a fascinating place that will gather many researchers and fresh blood globally. And so because many people come from different backgrounds and different disciplines, come together at the same place, it will involve many ideas. And also AIML hosts some networking activity to let people come together and have a drink, have a wine, have a casual talk. Yeah, it brings more conversation and bring more teamwork. Yeah, it makes everything can be possible.
Hi, I'm Joytu Khisha. I'm doing my master's under University of Adelaide, Australian Institute of Machine Learning. The project I'm doing is mimicking of human movement. Right now, we're trying to make the robot copies the movement of humans. My research topic has a lot of applications. For example, whenever it is mimicking, it's try to just mimic based on camera. So basically, it's just trying to mimic a person on real-time feeds. Let's say I'm here and the robot is situated at a very far distance. I do not need to go to that place. I can just move my hands here. By copying these movements to the camera, the robot will be able to do that the same thing on the other end. So let's say I'm a surgeon and there is a big accident. I do not have to go to the place immediately. If there is a robot there, I can just mimic in front of the camera and the robot will be able to mimic those things and operate on the patient. And it will help a lot of other people too. Let's say you are a plumber and transportation costs a lot. And if you are a plumber and you have that robot, all you have to do is mimic the same thing in front of the camera and the robot will just copy your movements and it will just save a lot of cost in transportation. So these are some smaller applications, but there are larger scale applications too. If you are doing mining in a very remote area and it costs a lot to transport people from here to there. But if you're working in a very remote area, you have to supply food and everything. But you can do all those things using robots. All the humans have to do is stay at home. From a very young age, I was always inspired to work with a humanoid robot, watching all those movies like WALL-E and all those movies like, Star Trek and Star Wars. So I had a fascination to work with a humanoid robot. But the challenging part, even 10 years back, no one actually believed humanoid robot will be a mainstream these days. Everyone is talking about the possibility of humanoid robot, working full time within next 10 years. So 10 years back, that would seem a very distant dream. I was very heartbroken when everyone's saying it will never happen in our lifetime. But with fast pace of artificial intelligence these days, the possibility of humanoid robot working with humans seems very practical. It seems like a very distant dream coming true. When working with DART, that's the name of the humanoid robot that we have given. The full abbreviation of DART stands for Dual Arm Robot, to work on a humanoid robot which is already there. It is very inspiring for me and it really helps me to achieve my dream.